Welcome back to the virtual Citrix Ready Partner Pavilion, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're watching this session, I have an interesting session lined up for you. We have a key Citrix Ready partner named Wacom, and they create peripheral devices which are extensively used in the healthcare environment. And I have my good friend Alan today from Wacom. Alan, welcome to the show. Can you explain to our audience a little bit about who you are and what you do at Wacom?
Thanks very much. I'm Alan Orth. I'm the manager of sales in North America for Wacom Healthcare. And we're proud to be a Citrix partner at the Citrix Partner Pavilion at HIMSS 21. We've been partnering with Citrix for a number of years, and as a result of that collaboration, you can find a number of Wacom products on the Citrix Ready partner website.
Awesome, great. I know most of our audience would know who Wacom is and what products you have. But you want to give a brief introduction about what your company is and what are those products that you guys manufacture?
Yes, Wacom's business is signature capture and any type of ink that is required electronically. So any kind of documents that need to be signed or annotated. So in the healthcare realm, we're involved both on the imaging side with annotation of medical images and also on the documentation administrative side with the signature of patient consent forms, medical histories, that sort of thing.
That's awesome, great. Now I know healthcare industry requires such devices, signature pads, etc. extensively. Uh, can you talk a little bit about how your product integrates with Citrix and how does it simplify, an IT admin at a hospital, for example? How does it simplify his life?
Well, Wacom products are certified as Citrix Ready, which means our products are proven to operate in the Citrix environment. Our products operate as peripherals, so they provide signed documents to an electronic health record or a document management system. Citrix is an important tool for healthcare, so Wacom products are designed to fit within this environment for effective improvement in the administrative workflow in a hospital or healthcare setting.
Awesome. That's great. Can you elaborate a little bit more on, let's say, if I'm an IT admin at a hospital, for example, how can I use a Wacom product in my Citrix environment to make sure my IT infrastructure is in place, it's simplified, my clinicians, the doctors, when they go on rounds, it's easier for them to, access and do their work?
Well, the number and complexity of forms within a healthcare environment has been increasing all the time. And if the forms are not signed and entered into the electronic health record properly, it can delay payments and in some cases even delay procedures for patients. So this is a big problem and it creates unnecessary interruptions and expenses for healthcare facilities. So Wacom provides a simple, natural way to capture patient signatures electronically, and this saves time and money. In a recent study from a Wacom customer, the customer found that they were able to speed up their registration of patients from 20 minutes down to 5 minutes. So this was a huge improvement for them, and it decreased their costs by about 75% in their study. And most important for them was not so much the cost savings, but the improvement in patient satisfaction from the survey they did. Patients didn't have to wait as long. They were signing these documents. The patients were entered into the system quickly, and the patient was treated quickly. And that was the important part.
Awesome. So if I'm hearing you correctly, Alan, you spoke about convenience, you spoke about speed, you spoke about security, and also legal compliance when it comes to healthcare data. Did I capture those right about?
Yeah, I believe that's correct. Those are important parts for sure.
Awesome. That's great. So Alan, at this point, can we show your product in action to our audience? Do we have a demo that you can quickly walk us through?
Yes, we can show you a couple different products, a simple signature pad, and then a larger pen display that shows the document for the patient as they sign.
Awesome. Let's get into it.
We start this demonstration with the Wacom signature pad. It's slim for comfortable signing, and it's small to take up as little space as possible on a countertop. A color screen is available that can display messages to patients. And now we see a pen display. This device can show the patient the consent form or medical history so they can read it, fill out the form, and sign it all at once. Both devices use Wacom's patented battery-free pen technology that gives a lifelike, natural signature. They have a scratch-proof signing surface for a long surface life. All of these devices shown are certified as Citrix ready. This makes the devices easier to use within a Citrix deployment.
Thanks so much, Alan. That was great. That gave me quite a bit of insight. Let's move into a little bit of different territory. Let's change gears a little bit. Do you want to talk about competition and how does Wacom differentiate among your competitors?
Well, Wacom has 40 years of experience perfecting digital ink, and we have numerous patents in this field. This points to Wacom's status as a global leader in signature capture. We have over 130 million devices worldwide in use today. Plus, we supply technology to the leading PC and tablet manufacturers to integrate our pen technology into their systems. So we've become the de facto standard of pen technology. Our products are recognized for superior image quality of the captured image and also the human-friendly design of the product so that they're a natural way to capture signatures and it's easy and comfortable for patients to use. And given the importance of Citrix in healthcare information technology, we recognize that importance. And for all our future products, we're certainly making sure that it integrates with Citrix along the way for all these future products.
That sounds good. Thank you. All right, Alan, thanks so much. Lastly, if our audience wants to find more about Wacom products, where should they go?
You can certainly go to wacom.com and see our products there. We'd welcome you and answer any questions you may have.
Awesome, that's great. And for your information, ladies and gentlemen, you can also just go to citrixstudy.citrix.com, and if you search for Wacom, it'll give you all the details about which Wacom products are Citrix verified and which you can seamlessly deploy in your existing IT infrastructure, right? So with that, let me thank you, Alan. Any last words?
No, welcome to HIMSS 21, and I hope everybody is enjoying a safe and productive HIMSS 21.
Thanks so much, Alan, for your time, and thanks, ladies and gentlemen, for spending the time to view this session. This is Rubal Walia signing off, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye. Thanks, Alan.